Madam Speaker, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Members, Happy New Year. By way of background, the Minister of Defense, National Security and Immigration and the Russian Ministry of Defense signed a memorandum of understanding in June 2013. This was during the official visit of the Honorable Prime Minister to the Russian Federation, which culminated with the signing of a number of agreements in the following areas: cooperation, public health, reciprocal visa, which has come into force from 1st November 2013, specialized human resource capacity building, and defense. The implementation of the Defense Technical Cooperation Agreement has seen the first shipment of operational equipment for the Republic of Fiji military forces. A shipment of arms and ammunition with supporting infrastructure arrived in Suva port on the 14th of February this year. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honorable Isoti.
Madam Speaker. In the very words of the question that was raised, high-profile military consignment creates a lot of concern to the people of Fiji. Therefore, this Honourable House is asking why this is not made known to the members of this House in regards to the high-profile military consignment, and where is it designated, and how much it costs, if there is any cost, and if there is any arrangement in between. Can this August House has reserved all the right to be known, rather than the
Thank you for the question. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister.
And the question is, why was not this Honourable House notified? Thank you.
I thank the Honourable Member for the question, but shifting arms and ammunition across the world is a safety, it goes through a safety process. You don't have to go around and calling people that we are providing ammunition for Fiji. So it came with the agreement. As I mentioned before, it was signed in 2013. There was no necessary for us to announce in the House, and because it's just normal procedures of procurement.
Thank you.
The cost is about 19 million if you want to.
I give the floor to the Honourable Walker.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Like everyone else, I was quite disturbed about the shipment of arms, because all along I thought our troops were well equipped to carry out operations where government has agreed to send them to. We just had the unfortunate situation in the Golan Heights where our boys were overwhelmed by the enemies and surrendered their weapons. It begs the question, were they properly equipped to put up resistance against those terrorists?
Thank you.
So, well, our boys provided with proper equipment out in the combat zones, because if not, someone has got to be asked about this. Somebody sent them there without giving them proper equipment. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
The question is really directed at the consignment that was released by the Republic of Fiji, and not those that are available in the Golan Heights, as you have mentioned. I give the floor to the Honourable Randondo.
Again, request the Honourable Minister to state what is the total value of this military consignment, and why was not it listed in the 2016 budget under aid in kind, knowing fully well that that is a breach of good governance, of transparency and accountability. Any aid should be listed here, just like you've done with the Parliament. And why not this one under Head 19, under the Republic of Fiji Military Forces, or under Head 49, under peacekeeping? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Why not?
The finalization of the shipment was made after the publication of the document.
Thank you.